Russian forces lost 40 artillery systems, 27 armored personnel vehicles, and 1 jet in the past day, Ukraine's military said on Thursday. In an update posted to social media, Ukraine said Russia had lost a total of 12,929 artillery pieces and 14,786 armored personnel vehicles since the conflict began in February 2022. Late on Wednesday, Ukraine's General Staff said its fighters had destroyed a Russian Su-25 jet in fighting close to the Donetsk city of Pokrovsk. The figures released on Thursday included the loss of 1 Russian aircraft, increasing Ukraine's count of downed Russian jets to 355 since the outbreak of full-scale war. Ukraine and Western sources have said fighting on the eastern front lines, including east to Pokrovsk, is blazing on despite Russia's offensive on Ukraine's northeastern Kharkiv region. Pokrovsk sits west of the former Ukrainian stronghold of Avdiivka, captured by Russia in February, and is a hotspot for clashes. Moscow's defense ministry said on Thursday that Ukraine had lost more than 600 aircraft since February 2022, as well as 9,771 field artillery and mortar guns. This also couldn't be independently verified. Last month, Leo Doherty, Britain's Minister of State for the Armed Forces, said UK intelligence indicated Moscow had lost over 10,000 armored vehicles, including around 3,000 main battle tanks. Russia has lost approximately 109 fixed-wing aircraft, he added, as well as more than 1,500 artillery systems. This equipment has been destroyed, abandoned, or captured by Ukraine, he said. Reports from Ukraine's military, and Russian and Ukrainian media, indicate that Kyiv has likely destroyed at least 6 Russian aircraft of various types, including MiG-31 and Su-25 jets, since May 14. Over the weekend, Ukraine's SBU security service damaged a Russian Su-27 jet during an attack on Russia's Kushchevskaya airbase, independent Russian outlet Astra reported. Separately, on Saturday, Ukraine's 110th Separate Mechanized Brigade, fighting on the Eastern Front, said its fighters had shot down a Russian Su-25. Satellite imagery published by U.S. space technology company Maxar appeared to show that 2 MiG-31 jets and 1 Su-27 had been destroyed at the Belbek airfield, located close to the Crimean port city of Sevastopol, in Ukrainian strikes last week. Another aircraft, a MiG-29, was also damaged, the New York Times journalist Christian Trebert said, sharing the images to social media.